Hey everybody, it's your Aunt Cathy. We finally got a sunny day here. You can hear the solar heater going there. That's the inlet at the top. And there's the thermostat on it. And then there's a cold air return at the bottom. And you can hear it. Now we're going to go outside and take a look out there, and you're gonna see that it's just a big black box, and it's on the south side of the house. It's right here. There's the big black box, and it's got some empty space in there, glass on the outside, and the sun heats that, and the warm air rises and it goes in the top vent in the house. And then there's a little solar panel up there, and that runs that little fan, and that'll increase the amount of circulation. And it's circulating air that's inside the house. The air inside the house goes in the bottom and out the top, and it's just a big black heater out here, and that's really all there is to it. And that helps raise the temperature in the house, so maybe 1, 2, 3 degrees when the sun is shining. That blower comes on when the inside of the black box here gets to 65 degrees. And when it's quite cold outside, that makes a big difference. So anyway, that's our solar heater. And that's all for today now. And bye-bye.